Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to take a live selfie photo on your Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. All you have to do is simply launch the camera app on your device and then switch to the selfie camera by tapping on this arrow at the bottom right corner. And then once you switch to the selfie camera, tap on the arrow at the top of the screen. And then from the options that appear, simply select dynamic shots, also known as live photos. So tap on that. And now you can see it has been enabled. The live photos, has been enabled. Now you can simply capture your selfie as you prefer. So tap on the shutter button to capture your selfie. And once done, simply open the gallery icon, or rather tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left of the screen. And then now you can see your selfie, your live selfie photo. And you can see this icon indicating that that was a live selfie photo. So you can tap on play at the top and we will play that particular selfie live photo. So tap on play. And there you go. That's your live selfie photo. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.